Someone you know is about to re-enter your life. The world tells me that this person has been away from you for a while. The globe is the central image on this card, and it tells me that it's someone very important in your life. Look at the way it glows with their light. There is a band that circles the globe, which I think makes me believe they've been traveling. Maybe literally they could have moved somewhere else or taken a long trip. But it might also be a more emotional distance. This could be someone you once loved or a close friend who you have drifted apart from. There is a person on this card in the water, and I think that represents you, trapped in a slow whirlpool, spinning gently in one place. I think this represents a feeling of listlessness you have felt in their absence. You have felt slightly underwater, as though the noises of the world have been quieted by the ocean sounds. I think this describes a bit of sadness or slight depression you have felt. Maybe you didn't even really notice, but it tells me this person leaving or drifting away from you as the person has drifted from the globe on this card has had a deep impact, even if it's not something you think about all the time. The Chariot card repeats the theme of water from the last card, but here it shows movement and energy. I get the sense that this is the water from the last card, draining out as though someone has removed the plug from the bottom of the sea. Like the previous card, you are again depicted, but this time staring up at the waterfall, and you appear colourful and bright rather than grey, suggesting that a new energy has revitalised you. You seem to be waiting eagerly, so I get the sense that this shows you receiving word that this person is going to return. You look like someone waiting at an airport or railway station, so this suggests some kind of sign is going to be shown to you that this person is coming back. You are going to hear a word from a mutual friend, or maybe they will reach out and let you know they are returning. The repeated themes of water are interesting. Are you sending them a water sign that does appear to be the dominant symbol that links these two cards? But I love the way this card is much brighter and more optimistic than the last one. It looks like the light is starting to return. The final card of this reading shows a peaceful and contented scene. It shows you in this other person, pictured side by side, an emperor and empress. The empress on this card has red hair, like the person on the last card, showing a clear link between the two cards, and we once again see the recurring motif of water in the background, this time pictured as a distant lake. I think this tells me that this shows you are reunited. The absence, as denoted by the water, is in the past, way off, behind you. The emperor and empress look like they are here to stay, and this tells me the reunion with this person will be permanent. They won't be going away again anytime soon. The strange gold light next to the Emperor reminds me a bit of the globe from the first card, and so maybe represents some lesson or life experience or change the Emperor will bring back from his travels. He is returned wiser and happier, more secure in the knowledge of what he wants. Though of course the Emperor doesn't have to stand for a man. The bottom of the Empress dress spreads out like a flower. It radiates contentment and beauty. And this card makes me believe that you will suddenly realize how much you have missed this person and how happy you will be when they are back in your life.